Hello, sixth grade families. I'm Grant Safranek, your child's science teacher this year at BU, and I'm excited to be here. Thank you for having your child in my class. Things have gotten off to a good start, and we want to continue. So a little bit about myself, really quickly. Grant Safranek. I've been teaching here in Boulder for 20 years, and most recently in Manhattan. And this is my first year over here at Boulder Universal. And I know it's a different year. I have two kids at home doing online learning as well, and I know that you're thinking about making sure your kids meet your goals and doing so efficiently, because those are the things I'm thinking about for my kids and for your kids, for our students at BU. So I've taught high school science and middle school science, and I got to say, I just love middle school science, and this is a great opportunity. So the course this year, sixth grade physical science. We got off started with a year kind of just getting the idea of how do scientists think and how do we take good data, and we're starting to move into a little bit of chemistry, a little bit about phase changes, and then moving into some acid and base chemistry is a little later. But what about chemical changes? That's some hard stuff. And then moving into some more specifics, say like pH, and then some nice thematic units toward the end of the semester, like chemistry and medicine. There will be a end of the semester project as well, something to watch out for. The next semester, after the new year, we'll be looking more at the physics side of things. So more to come about that later, but thinking about force and acceleration and those types of things next semester. So thinking about connecting, how can we make sure this semester is a great success? Big thing for me is communication. The best way are those Monday and Wednesday lab sessions, 10 to 11, especially just getting on there at 10 to connect. For me personally, your child doesn't have to stay on there the whole time, but it's a great opportunity to connect if they need help. Now, I also understand that the asynchronous part is more efficient. Getting onto meetings can be less efficient sometimes. So that's if they really need the help. Please have them meet up with me. If they're doing great on their own, then have them do what they need to do. That's fine. I also can arrange for some one-on-one meetings on Thursday, 12:30 to 1:30. In terms of communication, email is great. Schoology is not quite as good. The Schoology messages take an extra couple dots to extra couple clicks. So just an email to grant.safranek@bvsd.org is perfect, and we can certainly talk on the phone or do a quick Google Meet if we need to work something out. Something that a couple things about the curriculum and grades. And it's really important that our students are making really thoughtful submissions, that their work, is sort of part of the whole grade. The submissions they do, the discussions they do, the quizzes, they all go into one big grade. So all those points count, and it needs to all be really thoughtful and thorough. The second thing I would point out is something I'm adding to the curriculum I've been given is a study guide. So I'm going to try to have a study guide at the beginning of each unit outlining the objectives, and in particular the objectives that I see that are there on the quizzes, because I want to be super transparent and I want to help them do well. I'm not trying to make this hard. We're going to try to stick to what's both interesting and focused on the absolute things that they really need to come away with week by week. So I hope that is just good to see my face and know who's teaching your kid if you haven't seen me already. And it's my pleasure. So thank you so much, and let me know via email if you have any questions. Bye.